Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I am Emma. And Sam, I have to say, that color you are wearing today is stunning.
And I am Sam. Wait, Emma, are you practicing the script already?
Maybe a little bit. But it is true. Blue really suits you.
Oh, stop it. You're making me blush. But honestly, I don't know what to say now.
That is exactly why we are doing this episode.
Because I am awkward?
Because everyone is awkward when it comes to compliments.
It's true. In some cultures, you say, thank you. In others, you must say, no, I am terrible.
In English, there is a very specific code for giving and receiving praise.
A code? Like a secret handshake?
Almost. And if you know the code, you can make friends in any country.
I want more friends. But first, guys, I have a compliment for you. You have excellent taste in podcasts.
Very smooth, Sam. So show us some love and hit that subscribe button.
And like the video if you think Emma's hair looks great today.
Oh, thank you, Sam. See, I followed the code.
Okay, teach me. What is the first rule of the compliment code?
Rule number 1, the specificity secret.
Specificity. That is a hard word to say.
It just means be detailed.
So I shouldn't just say nice shoes.
Nice is a forbidden word today, Sam.
Forbidden? But nice is nice.
Nice is lazy. Instead of nice shoes, say, I love the color of those sneakers.
Oh, so that shows I am actually looking at them.
Exactly. When you are specific, the compliment feels real.
I like your car versus that vintage steering wheel is incredible.
Spot on. The more specific you are, the more the other person feels seen.
I like being seen.
Rule number 2, the magic formula.
Is there a math equation for compliments?
Yes. I love or I like plus noun plus adjective.
Let me try. I love your energy.
Perfect. Or your or that plus noun plus is/looks plus adjective.
Your presentation was lucid.
I used the word from the last video.
I'm a genius, Emma.
You are absolutely phenomenal.
Wait, was that a compliment?
Yes. Rule number 3, the ping-pong rule.
Do I need a paddle?
No. When someone gives you a compliment, you must hit the ball back.
So if you say, I like your shirt, I can't just say, I know.
No, that makes you look like a villain in a movie.
Thank you. I know I'm great.
Instead say, thank you, I just got it yesterday.
Oh, so I give a little extra information.
Yes, or you can return the favor.
Thank you. I love your watch too.
That is the perfect ping-pong game.
The conversation keeps moving.
Exactly. If you just say thanks and stop, the ball hits the floor.
And then it's awkward.
And we hate awkward. Step 4, complimenting skills, not just looks.
You mean I shouldn't just talk about people's faces?
It is nice to hear you look good, but it is better to hear you did a good job.
You are a great listener.
You have a real talent for explaining things.
You are so brave for speaking English.
Yes, those compliments stay in the heart much longer.
I still remember when my teacher said my English was getting there.
Getting there?
Well, it was a small compliment, but it meant a lot.
Let's check in with our friends at home.
Yes. So, what is the best compliment you have ever received in English?
Was it about your accent?
Was it about your hard work?
Tell us in the comments. We want to read some happy news today.
Okay, Emma, let's do the compliment battle.
Oh, I'm ready.
You give me one, you give me one back. Fast!
Go!
Your podcasting voice is so soothing.
Thank you. Your sense of humor makes every episode fun.
Thanks. Your ability to explain grammar without being boring is a superpower.
Wow, thank you, Sam. Your vocabulary has become exceptional this month.
I give up. You're too good at this.
It's just practice.
Step 5. The where trick.
This is a great conversation starter. If you like something someone has, ask where they got it.
I love that bag. Where did you find it?
Now the other person can tell a story. Oh, I found it in a small shop in Italy.
And now you are talking about travel, Italy, and shopping.
The compliment was just the door.
Exactly.
Compliments are the keys to the city.
Step 6. How to accept a compliment. This is the hardest part for me.
Why?
I feel like I'm being arrogant if I say thank you.
That is a common cultural mistake. In English-speaking cultures, if you disagree with a compliment, it can actually be rude.
Rude? But I'm being humble.
If I say, "Your English is great," and you say, "No, it's terrible," you are telling me that my opinion is wrong.
Oh, I never thought of it that way. I am calling you a liar.
A little bit. So just accept the gift.
A compliment is a gift.
Yes. Just say, "That's very kind of you to say."
That's very kind of you to say. That feels safe.
Or, "I appreciate that. I've been practicing a lot."
I appreciate that. I like that one. It's strong.
Step 7. The I wish compliment.
I wish I had your hair.
Yes. I wish I could speak as clearly as you.
I wish I had your confidence.
This is a very high-level compliment. It shows you admire the other person.
It makes them feel like a teacher.
Exactly. People love feeling like they have a superpower.
Sam, can I use these at work?
Absolutely. But keep them professional.
I love your suit might be okay.
It's okay, but great job on that report is better.
Your ideas in the meeting were very lucid. You and that word. But yes, that would work perfectly.
Okay, let's do a massive recap of the compliment code.
Recap time. Get your smiles ready.
Step 1,
Specificity.
don't be lazy, use details. Step 2,
The magic formula. I love your blank.
Step 3,
The ping-pong rule. Hit the ball back with a thank you and a detail.
Step 4,
Skills over looks. Compliment their hard work.
Step 5,
The where trick. Ask where they got it to start a story.
Step 6,
Accept the gift. Don't say no, say that's very kind.
Step 7,
The I wish compliment. Show them you admire their superpower.
Sam, you are a master of connection.
And you, Emma, are an exquisite teacher.
Haha, thank you. See, I accepted the gift.
We're both over the moon today.
Thank you for joining the Lingo Listen.
Go out and give someone a specific compliment today.
Watch their face light up.
It's the best feeling in the world.
See you in the next episode.
Stay happy
Stay curious.
and keep listening.
Until next time,
Bye for now.
goodbye, everyone.